Bonjour. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Learn French together. Today we are going to learn about the French vowels, how to pronounce each one, and some example words to help you practice. These 5 sounds are the foundation of French pronunciation. Let's get started. A, E, O, U. A, ami, a, ami. It means friend in French. Femme, e, femme. It means women in French. E, lit, e, lit. It means bed in French. O, more, o, more. It means word in French. Ou, tu, ou, tu. It means you in French. Thank you for listening. See you next time.